What's up guys, welcome to Tommy Unboxing Review. Today I'll unbox the DINOGY Graphene 2.0 batteries. It's so beautiful. A dinosaur here. Now let's unbox it. Oh. Wow. The battery is so thin and long. Sorry. This is the Graphene 2.0 Lipo 5000 milliamp hours batteries 70C 4S. This must be Chin AWG wires. The battery is only 503.9 grams. I think it's a little lighter than the normal batteries. Well, this one is 501.9 grams. So why choose these DINOGY batteries? Because the world's fastest motor drive RC cars made by Nick, that he used the Giant Powers batteries. The Giant Powers batteries is the mother company of the DINOGY. So I want to try these batteries. As you can see, my Giant Powers batteries, my GNCC batteries. I'll test these two with my arrma limitless. This one is not good for speed runs. So big and the water sag is too low.